you know and since pinu afimu ba onim say minority edi kind krata ba mountain kra and no mo ka say expressway na mampani John Dramani ma peso ye enkran kumase kwan no a won peso mo ye na ni akwampon sia eheko aheba no o kire say unnecessary. That is what the minority ekai nenra abeto dwa say yewra asenso boache e de krata koma mampani se betumi a sa Accra Kumasi Express Road no wonya yo na nko wonye ekwan dada no eda ho no na abeye hu ha currently emu nkomodie ekoso na enche yebehwe ne na twehwe nkomo afa sansemi ho but me pese yetie eni kakra Dr. Yawose Educhu one of the aspirant for the flag bearership seat for the MPP. Wakasa for express way no. I don't want to be the only one. Found. Let's listen to them. One opinion on the express road.
That's a bridge in Amsusao. Punum. No, they are cooking.
Nhyira FM.
Sezonim. Adeba kwa. China for inse. Also, won't cross your pa. The baby of what? Valleys near the idea of ho enya de kitwa and we yet bridges at the cohon bridge now more yeno omo nyese be ya ukọ krom a obedru ntamo omo yese be ya companies be ko ho no makoye factories ho amo man na den e ho no apagya emu abie enti se wo pese wo ye Accra Kumasi Express Road na ko fa atimoda afenwure mo ho no saa abe pie leg bosomtwe meda president Mahama say leg bosomtwe o fa bosomtwe a say the wa kan expressway no ba bosomtwe ne be gateway to Kumasi o fa bosomtwe ansa no be Kumasi expressway na minua say that's a bridge in Amsusao wo punum no de akupi engineers here say onim ade ba ko a China for in say also won cross ya pa na baby wo ho a ayi valleys near the idea wo ho enya de kitwa en omo ye bridges e de ko ho bridge na omo ye no omo nye se be ya obedru ntamo omo ye se be ya companies be ko ho no makoye factories ho amo man na den e ho no apagya emu abie enti se wo pese wo ye Accra Kumasi Express Road na ko fa atimoda afenwure mo honom saa abepie leg bosomtwe meda president Mahama say leg bosomtwe o fa bosomtwe a say the wa kan express
Nhyira FM
ne be gateway to Kumasi o fa bosomtwe ansa no be Kumasi Expressway na minua say that's a bridge in Amsusao
enti Dr. Yawose Educhu on the expressway na mampani peso ye no and what ye ni take on it. He's part of the minority na sema waka wo ho no one of empanimfo ewo the NPP mu Dr. Richard Anane and a former MP for Nhyira constituency ono nso kasafa ho bi yentie no
say from Accra to
Nhyira FM
and final president ko force menya and see Techiman and from Accra to Takrady from Accra to Aflao say
Akuma FM 87.9
for 3 rows a makana say to me no dual carriageway a bit my accidents so by about 40%. By 40%. And the cabinet approved.
Nhyira FM.
So, and it's the same no more I can see only say yes be the express road at the end of the day the 2 roads and now with my I have four and then bisa like the same thing we want to make sure say you yet me at accidents are warrior kwan so yet me so a boy mining
what happened to that memo now come on
so wakwa Accra say started say
Nhyira FM.
after President Kufuor Omayaka no Omanye ebisine nti sɛ President Mahama say opeso ye bibisa ye hwe say a bit different from the ayinani kana.
That was just a priority there.
To me it's a priority. Answer me say
enti Dr. Richard Anane no ono so former MP for Nhyira so ono so ni take on the expressway no mampani pese oye no no and utie sampani fu mienu nyina no you realize they are all seeing this project as a very good one that will help the economy no, not only Kumasi and Kumasi, but the entire country because of trade up and down. Now, uti pay crowd will say a bit me reduce the accident and you can't and I could judge to watch a dream you can't want some last week cry a boss. You can't want some say so we share 6 lanes in side no more can I ever corner and when she wants some crowds back off him. So my challenge to the minority and they say one the ebe moment me convince me say sa e kwan we no enye necessary and they say one omo betumi am ehu say Kumasi to eye Accra road no e wo ho na omo say yaye bi dada na adodan kwa Akufuado aye bi kakra nti ye ntoa so ne ye nwie no say ye toa so a the feasibility studies here I confirm say betumi de bi a 1 year or years less than 3 years no express road no bedi no so mutimi de ba e conclude my ehu say e bedi 1 year which is less than the express road ni de ne dia then of course I will agree with them say yenwie eno ansa na yakohwe express road no but if the cost involved any the timelines no is almost equal say nye pempo a ben de ye pese ye de ye we no kakra then why not choose the expressway? And after all, mpenimfu we nyina confirm say it's something that will help the country and in fact the economy. These people are not NDC people. These people have also been in government before. And they are talking about the positive aspect of this express route. And why would an MP from Kumasi write a letter to the president to obstruct this project without actually evaluating Sanomeya Mebosui? A big question. And I'm highly disappointed in that move. Is it confirming the Gabi Ochida Kuka say the MPs in Kumasi, MPs in Ashanti region opted for community roads, inner roads than main asphalt in the Akeka? Should I believe so? Because I say no correct one kasa. Honorable Chairman Sabunsu, Eka Samuan Casa, Mwaji Crane, ni wasa, Modian Kamupa, papa no, Mopedie papa no. Bagabi say Modiana mo boa papa too. Would this confirm the Gabi Kai and one? Is a big question. And if it's so, I'll be much disappointed in Honorable Francis Asenso Boachi. Nana Kwejo Jantua, Doctor Atrase. Doc, good morning.